Alrighty, old ghost. Well, we're gonna get this dirt pile moved a little bit here. Some of it's gonna go in the garden, and then some of it's gonna go over there by the leaf pile, so we can try to get all the junk in one area of the yard. But we want to move the leaf pile over, and then we want to put the dirt where the leaf pile is. But it's too much work for one day, so we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do it twice instead of doing it once. We're gonna wait for the leaves to dry up so they're easier to move. Just saying. But this dirt pile, it was supposed to be small and it got bigger and bigger and bigger. I mean, it's not high, it's just wide. So we're gonna get her picked up. Guys, well, we didn't get the whole thing moved, but that's probably a good 4 feet off of it. We got a little pile started over there by the leaves. That's good enough for one day. We're gonna go drink. Bye.
Bye.
Prioritize.
Team Crew out.